Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make zigzag pasta. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 3 large eggs and a pinch of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a clean surface. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. This resting period is crucial for a pliable dough. Next, divide your rested dough into 4 equal portions. Take 1 portion and flatten it slightly with your hands. Begin feeding it through your pasta machine on the widest setting. Fold and repeat a few times to strengthen the dough. Gradually decrease the setting, rolling the sheet thinner and thinner. Aim for a thickness of about 1.5 millimeters or setting 6 on most standard pasta machines. Now for the fun part, shaping the zigzag pasta. Lay your thin pasta sheets flat on a lightly floured surface. Using a fluted pasta cutter or a zigzag pastry wheel, carefully cut the sheets into strips. Aim for strips that are about 1 inch wide. The fluted edge will naturally create that distinctive zigzag pattern. Work steadily to ensure your cuts are consistent for beautiful, uniform pasta. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your delicious homemade zigzag pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until al dente. Fresh pasta cooks very quickly. Drain it well and immediately toss with your favorite sauce. Serve hot and savor the unique texture and flavor of your handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.